Native speakers love using idioms, and if you don't know them, conversation can feel like a puzzle. But don't worry, by the end of this episode, you will understand 13 essential idioms and start using them like a pro. Let's get started. Idioms for tough situations. Number one, bite the bullet. To face a tough situation bravely. Imagine you were afraid of dentist, but you have a terrible toothache. You don't want to go, but you finally tell yourself, I have to bite the bullet and just do it. Number two, burn the midnight oil. To work late into the night. Ever had an exam the next day and stayed up studying until 3 a.m.? That's burning the midnight oil. I burned the midnight oil last night to finish my project. Number three, throw in the towel. To give up. Picture this. You are trying to assemble IKEA furniture, and after 3 hours of frustration, you say, That's it. I throw in the towel. Idioms for everyday conversations. Number one, jump on the bandwagon. To follow a trend. Ever noticed how suddenly everyone was drinking matcha tea? That's people jumping on the bandwagon. I wasn't into TikTok, but everyone was using it, so I jumped on the bandwagon. Number two, hit the nail on the head. To describe something perfectly. Ever had a friend tell you exactly why you were upset before you even say it? Wow, you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly how I feel. Number three, cut corners. To take shortcuts that lead to bad results. Ever ordered cheap online shoes that fell apart in a week? That's what happens when companies cut corners. The builder cut corners, and now the house has leaks everywhere. Idioms for success and motivation. Number one, go the extra mile. To make extra effort. Ever had a teacher who stayed after class to help students? That's going the extra mile. She always goes the extra mile to make her customers happy. Number two, keep something under wraps. To keep a secret. Ever had a friend say, I have a big news, but I can't tell you yet? That's keeping it under wraps. The company kept the new phone under wraps until the big reveal. Number three, put all your eggs in one basket. To depend on one thing too much. Ever bet all your money on a single idea and it flopped? That's putting all your eggs in one basket. Don't invest everything in one stock. You are putting all your eggs in one basket. Idioms for fun and friendships. Number one, pull someone's leg. To joke with someone. Imagine your friend says, I'm moving to Mars next year. You believe them and they laugh. Relax. I was just pulling your leg. Number two, the ball is in your court. It's your turn to take action. Ever sent a text to someone and now you're waiting for their reply? That means the ball is in their court. I gave you all the details. Now the ball is in your court. Number three, a blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad but turns out good. Ever missed a bus, but because of that, you met an old friend? That's the blessing in disguise. Losing my job seemed terrible. but it was a blessing in disguise. I found an even better one. Number 4, bury the hatchet to end a conflict and make peace. Ever had a fight with a friend, but after a while you both decided to move on? That's burying the hatchet. After years of not talking, they finally buried the hatchet and became friends again. That's it for today. Which idiom was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next episode of Speak English with Nasser.